So, wait a minute, King. Your place is beautiful.
Salute to the world.
Wow. So you did all of this bamboo yourself. How can I enter and go inside? From this side or this side? Here? Oh my gosh, you got the plants. You got the plants, you got the bamboo, you got the African mask. You really got it going on here. I'm feeling this. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, YouTube, welcome to my channel. Okay, I gotta bring y'all along. Wait a minute, because I'm walking into what feels like a castle to me. So welcome to my channel, YouTube. My name is Natural. Join us. We'll tell you who we are later. Oh my. You know, because I'm crazy about bamboo. My name is Natural, so you'll understand. Oh my. Wow. This is amazing. And the field is in the back. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I want to bring my friend. Are these little puppies down here? Hey, little puppies. Oh my gosh. I'm going to bring my friends here. So these are the seats? Oh, this is too amazing. Let me see if my behind can sit on here. Let me see. Oh, nice and sturdy. Oh, I like that. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, y'all. Oh, my. This is beautiful. All these little puppies. Hi. Hi, little puppies. Oh, this is so beautiful. So you did everything by yourself?
Yeah.
Hey, little puppies. How many you have? 5. 1, 2, 4.
Inside is their home for now. Inside, back inside. Come on.
Oh.
Inside. Come on. Inside.
Back into your home.
Inside. You. Come on, you. Come here.
What's the little indentations in this one's skin? Is it because he's still developing?
Yeah.
Oh.
I have a medication for it.
Okay.
You can take a look inside also. Go in the kitchen.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's another part to it?
Go take a look in the kitchen.
I'm gonna bring my friend here when she comes next month. This is too beautiful. Oh, this is the other side.
Yeah.
Oh man.
On top here, I did a signboard with all the food I'm doing.
That's gonna be the signboard up there. Okay, beautiful. You did an excellent job, King. I like this.
Bamboo.
Wow. What's the name of your place?
Country food.
Country Food.
Yeah.
So you can sit out here if you.
Yeah.
No, well, okay, it's a little standing spot. Okay. Oh my. This is absolutely stunning. Oh, so both sides is yours. You can sit over there and relax.
Both sides.
King, you did a good job.
Thank you, Million.
You talking about resourceful and using what you have to make it happen. You done made it happen here.
Yep.
Oh my. Yup, you done made it happen.
Nothing to something.
Wow. I love your song. Listen to the sounds of your heart. I know that's right. The sounds of your heart. Your heart said do it, didn't it? It said do it and you did it. Oh my, I love it.
Not foundation. From this here to here. That was start off with.
Wow.
That's no foundation. That was start with.
That's it. That means that was it. Congratulations.
I moved it. Forward.
Congratulations. I wish you all the best.
I need to help you sell some of your CMOS or C combo, sell it for you.
No, nobody saw my CMOS for me but me. Nobody's ever touched my CMOS and sold it but me. I ship to America every day. I don't sell CMOS here.
Okay. I saw some of my combos. I thought with you.
No, it was. I would never sell CMOS in Moringa. I've been doing it for 5 years, and I ship to America every single day. I wouldn't sell it here. See, I'm a market person. I can't see me. It just wouldn't add up. It wouldn't add up. I mean, I get great deals here. Grenada has the resource, but not for me to sell here. I'm so honored to be able to ship it to America, to my people. But see, remember, America does not have access to the natural resources we have. So I'm honored to be in my position. My people got to come first. I'm sorry.
Even for here, I do my local tea also.
Uh-huh. What type of tea you do?
Lemongrass.
Oh.
And I use honey.
And I love. So this is lemongrass and honey. And it's hot too. Woo, look how clear that thing is. Lemongrass and honey.
Natural, everything natural.
I'm glad I pulled over, King. Thank you so much. I'm able to share this. Do you mind me sharing this?
No problem.
With my YouTube family.
You can share it to the world.
So this is lovely Grenada, y'all. Lovely Grenada. Ooh. Lovely Grenadans. We love y'all. Come and see us. Y'all got to visit this place. This road is, what is this road called?
Airport Highway.
Airport Highway, right across from the shipping at the port. Right across from our port.
Next side of the plane.
When you come to Grenada, you have to stop at this place opposite the port. You'll remember his face anyway. He's always out here hopping around.
I'm already with the food.
Yeah.
Always.
And lemongrass. Cheers.
And I use resources from the sun. I use solar panels. Yeah.
You got solar panels?
Yeah, I use solar panels.
Beautiful. Yeah. You need a where's your goddess queen?
My what?
Your goddess, your queen, your empress.
No, I don't have no empress.
The world wants to know where's your empress.
No, I don't have no empress. I only have 8 kids. Me and the mom separate. I'm a father of 8, and I separate.
Wow.
I separate with the mom because the relationship cannot work.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
For me, I like this.
Okay. Well, you're gonna have to create me some of these beautiful bamboo cups, these trays. Wait a minute. These beautiful cup holders.
Maybe in case you want a bottle of
Yeah,
wine.
I see you got wine in yours,
Yeah.
but you know I won't be accessing wine, but I have other ideals for them. They're beautiful.
Okay.
You just use them off your excess. When you have extras, you just cut it off, but it has to have that bottom, huh?
Yeah.
So that got to be what, the beginning of the bamboo?
Yeah, could be the beginning, yeah.
They're beautiful. I'm proud of you, King.
Some little finishing work. I put bamboo on this. The blank will open and close.
Yes.
Open and close. So
Okay, so you just bring them down and close it up. So tell us, what kind of foods do you normally serve on a daily basis?
I do steamed fish with rice and peas.
Okay.
I do soup.
Okay.
You can put your own ingredients. I don't put salt.
Okay.
And only natural. Only natural food.
Okay, all natural.
Ginger, turmeric, full.
Okay, all the herbs and spices of the island.
I don't do chicken, I don't do pork, I don't do beef.
So just Ito, strictly Ito.
Yes, strictly
That's
Ito.
beautiful, beautiful. Tell us about this wall over here. These are all the wines that people have drank. And I see that Hennessy. That used to be mine about 24 years ago. Yes.
These the people take and show, so I just recycle it back.
Oh, recycling is beautiful. You made a beautiful wall from recycling. Wow, King, you doing your thing. Well, listen, I got to go. Love and respect. We love you. We love you. Thanks for sharing yourself with us. Absolutely. So, listen, people. Natural.
Some green peas from the garden. So I'm just peeling it there.
Okay, so people see the port.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. The port right across the street is where you receive, you know, different things when you ship stuff into the island. So that's the port. And this is exactly across the street. I'm going to give you the outside of his place. So you'll know. When you see it, come and check him. Come and check him. You'll see that African mask. You'll see them real live plants. And you'll see the main road in the port. So check my Rasta friend out. So anyway, love and respect. We're going to see you next time. Please like, subscribe, and share. This one was kind of off the hook, spur of the moment, so it might be a little crazy, but it was good. Give thanks. Love and respect.